Hello guys, welcome to Gaurav's Art and Craft World. I'm Gaurav and today we'll make beautiful and stylish sandpaper flower vase with some clay designs. At first we need a sandpaper. Now roll it in this way and stick the both ends with the help of hot glue. After sticking its both ends, we have to cover its one side, so I'm going to use a piece of carton which I have already cut in required round shape. Now stick it on one side with the help of glue. To make the flower vase heavy and strong, take some white cement and mix it with water and Fevicol and pour it inside the vase and apply it in this way. After completing the work, it will look like this. Now take a dough of clay and prepare some clay strips by rolling the clay. You can also make some this type of rope shape or any type of shape of your choice. Now stick them one by one on the flower vase with the help of Fevicol or any other glue and decorate the flower vase. As you can see, here I am applying the rope shaped clay on the both ends. Now I am covering the joining area with some clay designs so that the area will not look dirty. In this way, decorate your flower vase with some clay designs and let it dry for at least 24 hours. After completely drying up, take scarlet lake and white and color the rose by mixing them properly. Please check the description box for the link of the rose making video where I have shown 3 different methods of clay rose making. Here I'm not going to color the whole vase because I like the original color of the sandpaper, so I'm going to color only the clay work. After coloring the rose, take light green and color the leaves. Now take black and color the rope shaped clay work of the both sides. Make sure that you don't leave any part of the clay work. Now again take black and shade the vase in this way. After completing this, take white and color the rest of the designs and let it dry. Now take pearl metallic gold and apply on some of the clay designs. So friends, our flower vase is completed and this is how it looks. Now let me show you this from its all sides. So friends, try this easy handcraft and make it yourself. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.